Hello, my name is David Jong, and today I'll be answering the free response section 2 question part A. And the very first question asks, find the rate of change of the x-coordinate with respect to theta at point P. So as you can see, point P, if you think of the unit circle, is actually pi over 2 because it's right on the y-axis line. And to find the rate of change of the x-coordinate in respect to theta at point P, we need to understand that x equals to r cosine of theta. And if x equals to the r cosine of theta, and then you plug in r theta, which is seen on the question, into the equation that I just said, then x equals to 3 theta sine theta cosine theta. And if you find the derivative of the function in respect to pi over 2, you get right here. You get negative 4.714. So if you look at the paper, it shows exactly what I was talking about. And for number 2, the question asks, find the area of the region between the inner and outer loops of the graph. And to find the area between the region of the inner and outer loops of the graph, we need to find two integrals, one for the inner and one for the outer. And what we need to do is find the integral of the outer circle and subtract it by the integral of the inner circle. So we get the area right between the middle. And how do we do this? We use this function right here. Area equals to 1/2 the integral of pi to 2 pi r theta squared d theta subtracted by, which is the large circle, subtracted by 1/2 theta 0 to pi r theta squared d theta, which is the smaller circle. And if you do that, you get 139.528, which is the area of the region between the inner and outer loops of the graph. And part C asks us to find the function r satisfies dr d theta equals to 3 sine theta plus 3 sine theta cosine theta. 3 theta cosine theta. For 3 is less than or equal to theta is less than or equal to 2 pi, find the value of theta that gives the point on the graph that is farthest away from the origin. Justify your answer. So what we have to do is first make it so that 3 sine theta plus 3 theta cosine theta is equal to 0. And if we make that equal to 0, we find that the thetas are equal to 2.028758 and 4.913180. And if we put that into a chart of theta and r theta, we find that 0 is 0, 2.028 is equal to 5.459, 4.913 is negative 14.44, and 2 pi is equal to 0. And because we're trying to find the value of theta that gives a point on the graph that is farthest away from the origin, the value of 4.913 is the answer because this is the furthest away from the origin. Okay, thank you very much.